Hi everybody and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how can you check if an item exists in your list or not. So as you see here, I have this giant list, and how could I tell if an item exists? So for example, the word Python. So instead of searching one by one from all these items to find the word Python, there's an easier way to do that. So for that, we'll use the if function. So we'll type in if space and then the word we want to search for. So for example, pets. And then we'll use a new operator, and that operator is called in. So type in space and then the name of the variable with this list inside it. So list and then colon, like every other if function. And then if pets exist in this list, so we'll print exist, and else if it doesn't exist, so print does not exist. And then when I run the code, you see it displays exists. And that's because pets is one of the items in this list. So now if I put in a different word, such as terminal, and I run the code, it will print does not exist. That's because terminal is not included as an item in this list. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.